good. He's up to. Watch that window. Keep the light on.
Hello, Sheriff's Office. Sheriff's Office, come out with your hands up. Sheriff's Office, come out with your hands up. Sheriff's Office, come out with your hands up.
Someone out back. All right, hold it. You take it back. I got the front. Go with Murphy. Go with Murphy. Go with Murphy.
Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Face away from me! Put your hands up! Face away. I'm in contact. Get on your knees! Get on your knees, okay? Yes, get on your knees. Lock your hands behind your head. Stay right there. Get up. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Stop. Stop right there, okay? Lift up your shirt. All the way, spin around for me, okay? Spin all the way around. All right, here, you're good. Walk backwards, face away from me. Walk backwards, slower. Walk backwards, walk backwards, walk backwards. Get on your knees. Get on your knees, walk your arms again.
Top of your head.
All right, thanks, man. Okay, down here. Appreciate it. He's in custody. Alright. Stand up for me, okay? Thank you. Oh, hold on, let me walk these real quick so that they don't...
What is that?